Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you some most important things that you must follow every morning. Let's begin. Firstly, always say to yourself, every morning when I listen to something very pleasant and good, when I see something good and awesome, when I think something very spectacular, at that moment my whole day becomes very auspicious and blissful. And when each day of my life begins to go by fabulously, then my life becomes free from chaos and turmoil. I welcome this new day from core of my heart. This day of today of my life is going to be the best day of my life. I am very happy and thrilled for this day because today something special will happen that never has happened before. Today I will learn something new. I will see something new. I will listen to something new. I will seek something new, and I will become something new. I feel very blissful, and whatever mistakes I made in the past or whatsoever bad happened to me in the past, for that today I forgive myself and others too from all my heart. My focus is not on past but on forthcoming moment. Whatever I have to do today, I have decided that already, and I am ready and well prepared to achieve the aim of my life. My mind is completely calm and relaxed. I fully concentrated on my aim. My thoughts are very positive. I strongly believe whatever happens to me always happen for the best. Whatever difficulties I have in my life, I don't see them as difficulties. Rather, I see them as an opportunity that always uplift me, an opportunity to know myself very well, an opportunity to make myself stronger and stronger. Today I am ready to face all the challenges. I love my life with no ends. I am completely hale and hearty today, and my intellect is ready to take any decision. My mind is filled with joy and laughter, and I am always cheerful and grateful for this life. This life is just a game for me, and I am the best player in this game. I really don't care whether I win or lose in this game. I have only one intention in this game, and that is to be happy regardless every circumstances. Whatever I have today and what all people are with me, I am very grateful for that. I lack nothing, and I strongly believe in myself, and all the powers of universe are with me, and I am filled with energy. Now no one can stop me from going ahead in my life and doing something great. Nothing is impossible for me. Everything is possible for me. What all I can think, I can do. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please always repeat these things every morning when you get up. Once again, thanks a lot for your valuable time.